Welcome back to appMink Jr. Are you ready for some crazy fun? First, this dump truck's going in the microwave. Whoa, look at it go! Alright, out you... Ah, it's a blender full of balls! Hop in. There we go. Oh, wow! What's it gonna be? Oh, it's a tomato! This tomato is red. Can you say red tomato? Tomatoes go great with lettuce on sandwiches. Next, we have a yellow cherry picker. In you go. Round and round we go! Wow! So fast! Can you say purple raspberry? Raspberries make the most delicious jam. Now we have an orange cement mixer. Into the microwave we go. Round and round and round. Ah, it's an orange. Can you say orange orange? That's it from us at appMink Jr. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.